So with us talking a lot about motorcycles lately, I decided to take and do a quick video on another cleaning service, and that is cleaning the interior helmet. Is that this is the my dirt bike riding helmet, my trail bike riding helmet, and so it gets a little mucked up. So what I like to do is I vacuumed it out really good. Then what I'm going to do is come in with the P&S Double Black Carpet Bomber. So I'm going to show you two different methods real quick. One is just by hand, and whether you're a pro detailer or a do-it-yourselfer, if you've got a little steamer, I'll show you how to take and use steam. So I hit it with the Carpet Bomber, and all I'm going to do is take a microfiber towel, and I'm just going to come inside here, and I'm just going to scrub it down. You can see already I'm just lifting a lot of the topsoil off, cleaning up, and then we're going to come back and kind of sanitize it, just make it nice and clean. All this does is just get all the gunk out of it. If it sits during the winter time and gets kind of gunky, I think it was pretty close. I think my bag got a couple mice in it. So I just want to make sure to clean it up really good. So I'll come through, now let's do that. Now, right behind that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come through with the finisher, and I'm just going to spray a little finisher down here. The finisher's got peroxide in it. So what the peroxide's going to do is really do a good job of not just cleaning it and sanitizing it, but also take it and just kind of freshen it up, and it'll smell a lot better. So you'll have a little bit of that peroxide smell for maybe 24 hours. It won't do anything to you. I'd probably let it dry before you wear it again. Just let it air dry. You put it in front of a fan if you wanted to and kind of help out. Now, where it's really cool is if you've got a steamer. So what I do here is I've got the Vapor Chief 100. And what I do here is I've also got, and come in on that, is I've got the boar's hair brush on it. It's a little gentler. It's going to be a little softer. So again, what I'm going to do is just come through with a little bit of the Carpet Bomber. And I'm going to just come through, and I'm going to turn it on. And just what that's going to do is just take and allow me to really sanitize the padding, all the surface and everything else. I'll come back through and do it one more time. You see the steam coming out of it. It's pretty cool. And then the finisher, again, I'm just going to do the same thing. You don't have to put a lot on there. And I'm just going to come through and kind of push the finisher down in, kind of steam over the top of it. And boy, I'll tell you, it did a really nice job of just cleaning it up. And I'm going to hit one more time, just a little bit of finisher on the surface. And I'm just going to take a clean towel, clean dry towel. And all I'm going to do is kind of rub the finisher into the surface. And what that does is just, again, just lets it really take and freshens it up. It smells really nice and cleans it. You'll actually get more wear out of it too. So not just about taking and detailing your bike, it's also about keeping all your gear clean too. So there's a little trick on keeping your helmet clean. So I hope you enjoyed this. Take care. If you liked the video, make sure to take and make a comment below and share it, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Happy detailing.